Aquamarine. It is named after seawater. Its watery hue is a cool plunge into a refreshing pool. It is said to calm waves and keep sailors safe at sea. It is said to enhance happiness of marriages. The benefits of Aquamarine are: it boosts immunity, ensures safe journey, career growth, improves financial status, healthy throat, balances hormones, strengthens love and relations, wards off death and fear. The procedure to wear Aquamarine is: sit facing to the north direction, put the gem in water till the end, offer any sweet as divine food offering to the gem for its mystical powers, lit a candle or offer dhoop to gem, meditate for 10 to 18 minutes on any wish or dream and visualize that wish or dream has already come true. Visualizing helps in programming the gem and understand what you want. This process can be performed on every Sunday or any day. You'll start noticing all positive results once the process is complete and your gem is highly powerful. Wear Aquamarine. Wear the gem to the middle finger of working hand on Sunday between 5 am to 7 am.
AstroGemVeda.com, World's biggest online store for gems and Rudraksh, जो अपनों से करे प्यार, लक को कैसे करे इनकार।